tightest, I need to start it at the widest setting, otherwise I'm gonna overwork the dough and it's gonna just get clogged up in my.
So you're gonna start on 8
I'm gonna start on 1.
or 1?
1 is the widest, 8 is the thinnest. We're gonna start on the widest. I want a decent amount of flour on here. This is still pretty sticky. And I'm just gonna run it through. And as it comes out the other side, I'm gonna catch it, not with my fingernails, but with the side of my hand like so. And I'm gonna run it 3 times. You see how each side gets a little bit longer? No, a little bit longer. And if you grab it with your fingernails, you might put a hole in it. So, we don't want to. So now that I have this, I'm going to fold it into thirds. And my goal is to have it about as wide here as I can get it. And I'm going to go through one more, or 3 more times with the seams facing this. So that's 1, 2, and 3. Questions thus far? Okay, so we go through 1 3 times, we fold it into a trifold, then we go 3 more times through 1. Well, now we don't have to do a trifold anymore, so I go to setting 2, and it's going to make it a little thinner this time. And I'm going to go 3 times through each setting until it gets to the point where I could read the recipe through the pasta. So pretty thin. And if I start to see it sticking a little bit, then I just run it through this flour. Doesn't need much now, just a little.
This is the way it starts for all of them?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm gonna go to the next step.
You do it all the way down to 8?
You can, it'll be so thin. I find that about 5 or 6 is all we need to go to.
Okay.
So we're gonna start with the agnolotti, which is the stuffed one, because it's the funnest one. But
Surprising pasta isn't that expensive, fresh pasta. It's a lot of effort.
yeah, I mean, we're talking $2 in ingredients.
Yeah.
You know what the most? Olive oil being the most expensive
Yeah.
one. And you only use a tablespoon of that. Yeah.
There's a lot of steps to make it. Charge more.
It's the time that it takes
Yeah.
to make it that is the, I guess that's where the value is, because it's handcrafted. You see how each time it gets longer and longer? So the span of my arms needs to be a little bit longer each time. And I can just take the closest side, shake it, and then I have to do a flip.
Well, do you know how long this cooking school has existed?
Before my time, although it's been inactive for quite a while,
Oh, really?
because COVID really destroyed the restaurant industry.